Andito po kami ngayon sa makasaysayang lugar ng Intramuros, Maynila. Kasama ko ang mga kaibigan ko.
Sige.
Sina MM,
Yes, hello.
IB,
Hello.
Chona,
Hi.
Cathy. Saka po ako, hi.
2, 3. Ako din to. Ayan. Okay na ba?
At ito po ang mga water lily.
Makasaysayang water.
Makasaysayang water lily ng Pilipinas.
Makasaysayang mga virgin.
Oh.
Daranong kaya?
Alito po ang kalesa ni Manong, yan po.
Wala ko din mo ako. Ayan, may mga foreigners na nagpupunta dito. May mga Koreans.
May mga Irish. Ay, Irish! Irish yan!
Nakakuha rin si Dola.
Hindi, sure ka. Naka-British yan.
No, I think Irish.
Tingnan
Yeah.
Hi, let's go. Albino lang.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, we're going.
Oy, magkwento kayo habang kayo naglalakad.
Sa Palestine. Ito. Dito kayo lahat.
Ito.
It says here that we are going to Fort Santiago proper,
Plaza de Armas, Rizal Shrine, Ras Sulaiman Theater. Okay, yala. Oh,
Okay.
sandali, sama ako.
Okay, be. Kapag bebe, lahat magkasama. Aray!
Ari ko. Sorry.
1, 2, 3. O, diba? Parang foreigner na foreigner ang dating ninyo.
Oh, patingin nga. Tingnan nga natin.
Yung palang water lily.
Ito. Ito yung water
Laki.
lily.
Yan, nasa bridge namin.
Lumalakad namin sa makasaysayang bridge.
Sayang bridge.
Makasaysayang kasi nung unang panahon.
Video mo yun, yung may nakasulat.
Oo.
Ay, hindi, wag. Kunwari, video mo na lang kami. Kunwari, yun,
Kayo yung tour guide.
tour guide, pero
Ah.
baka na yun.
There you go. Ito, medyo late na ito si Candy.
Andito na tayo ngayon. One
Hoy,
of the
ito na, doon ka.
Kunwari nakikinig tayo.
Mm.
Kung nabasa ko, fornication. One of the oldest fortifications in Manila.
Kunwari nakikinig tayo.
71 on the site of the native
tayo
settlement
sa
of
aming
Ras
tourist
Sulaiman.
guide.
First fort was palisaded structure of logs on earth destroyed in Galimaho, Katang in 1574. Next!
Hindi, second para po
Former headquarters of the Philippine Division.
1589 and 1593.
Saan ka na ba? Ako
Damage
basa.
in the 1645 earthquake repaired and strengthened.
Oo, ako naman.
Ako naman.
O, si Chona muna.
1663.
Former headquarters of the Philippines Division of the U.S. Army, occupied by the Japanese military in 1942, where hundreds of civilians and guerrillas were imprisoned. Guerrillas. Tortured and executed, destroyed by the Battle of Manila.
O, sige, ako naman, ha?
1945.
Sabi natin. Used as depot of the U.S. Transportation Corps before turnover to the Philippine government in 1946. Declared Shrine of Freedom in 1950. Restoration and maintenance of the fort began in 1951 under the National Park Development Committee. Management was turned over to the Intramuros administration in 1992.
Okay na
Bye-bye!
May dipat pa yun.
Teka lang.
Ay, so hot in the Philippines.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Dapat di tayo na. Ay, siya pala. Game. Uy,